Morning guys, it's Robert from Australian Camping and 4-Wheel Drives. We are out at the Goos family campground. I hope I got that right. It's out near Gatton, so you can come out here if you wanted to. They've got some nice grounds around here. These are 4-wheel drive campgrounds where you can try your vehicle out. Sort of try and show you here what they got. And way off over there, the distance is where everyone's starting to set up camp. Got some people camped over here and behind us as well, too. And got caravans coming in here also, which is great to see. So it doesn't seem to matter what you got, what type of vehicle you got. You can come in and you can enjoy it. So I got some of the guys over here checking out some of the tracks. We'll watch today. Hey guys, so we're here at the camping event and I thought I'd show you some of the stuff the guys are doing. They've been cooking up some pork and sausages and all that today as well. Hey, how many sausages we go through today?
Over 100.
Over 100 of them, mate. Yeah, so got over 100 sausages. And how much pork did we go through, mate?
Oh, about 8 kilos so far.
8 kilos.
Yeah.
That's great, isn't it?
Been a good effort, eh?
Yeah, and we've gone through all the Cokes as well, Kent's Cokes.
Yeah, all the Cokes are on out.
Yep.
Super Duper's going mad, eh?
I bet you they are.
Oh, yeah. It's been a good day, good turnout.
I said to him, make sure you got the Super Dupers.
Yeah.
It's great. Everyone's been really helping out a lot, eh? And helping these guys out. So really appreciate the effort these guys are doing as well, hey? So you're all doing a great job. Thumbs up, guys. Yeah.
And come back later on for another pork roll for dinner.
Exactly right. We've got to eat for dinner as well, guys.
Yep.
So good stuff.
Excellent.
Cool.
Hey viewers, a little bit of brisket in here going. It's been a nice rub from Woolworths actually. No, Coles, sorry, Coles. Yeah, we got that today.
Sweet.
They go nice, that'll sit in there for another 4 or 5 hours and it'll be beautiful, eh?
Oh, great. That's awesome, mate.
Yep, awesome. Over here, we got all pork going on the spit.
Wow.
And at the moment, that's all we got cooking. And it's all later on for dinner.
Sweet.
Yeah, happy days. We're going to do some scones and that soon.
Scones as well?
Yes.
Oh, you're going to do them over here in the other oven, are you?
Yeah, we're going to do scones and cream and jam. Yeah, people love them, so.
I'll be over for some of them.
No worries.
Sure.
About half an hour.
30.
Cool.
So Brad's also got a donation table out here for people. They can drop stuff off here that Brad's going to be using as well, eh? So Brad's off over the side over there at the moment, having a yap with people. But done a great job out here. It's been a real good weekend so far. We're going to have all the music playing over the side over there later on. And got disco balls and everything going, so it'll be cool. Hey guys, so it's early morning and we're going to be heading off pretty soon. We've packed up the car and the trailer. It's pretty much done. It's pretty easy to do. And yeah, just want to say thanks to the guys here today for putting on all this effort. They've gone a lot of effort, hey. They're still cooking up breakfasts over here as well for everyone, which is really good of them, hey. What are we cooking up this morning, mate?
Bacon, eggs, snags, bit of onion.
Sweet. So, and everyone having that on a bread roll or something, mate?
Yeah, bit of bread roll, and then got some snags and for the breads as well. So
good stuff, hey. How's it been going for you?
Just a few hours of cooking.
Yeah.
But it's good.
How'd you go last night with the water?
Water? Always nice to have. Certainly
It
is.
was good to get some rain, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, most definitely.
It worked out well for us.
Oh yeah.
You're on onion duty, are you?
I'm on onion duty, I'm on bun duty. You name it.
Hey guys, got Brad here again, hey? Brad, how'd it go this weekend, mate?
Really good. So we had 100 cars come to camp. We've sold nearly, 35 kilos of snags, 6 kilos of bacon, and I think it was nearly 20 kilos of pork.
God.
So, and all that went out yesterday and this morning.
Yep.
And yeah, raised nearly $4,000 so far for
awesome,
the Granite Belt Water Relief.
That's awesome. He's done a really good job, guys, and yeah, I've been watching what's been going on here, and he's been running around like a headless chicken, I think, sometimes, mate, haven't you?
Yeah, I'm buggered.
Need some time off, I think, mate. And yeah, so
thanks for coming up. I want to thank everyone for coming and supporting.
Yeah.
Because we had 100 cars come through over the weekend, and yeah, some serious dollars being donated through the week. And thanks to Mr. Buckaroony for kicking us off with $1,000.
Yeah, cheers, Buck. I really appreciate that, mate.
No,
so it really helped out, eh?
Yeah, awesome.
So, and also thanks. If you're one of the people that came along here, thanks for coming along too. I really appreciate it. It's people like you that can help out, and if next time if we do this again, if you've got other friends and that type of stuff, get them to come along as well. Hey, it's a good weekend.
Yeah, all fun. So and good crowd. So awesome.
What you got going on today?
We had some day trippers come out, so they'll do some tracks and we'll sell some more snags and more drinks, and then I'll go home and I'll go to bed.
All right, guys. On that note, we'll head off, and yeah, just thanks, mate.
Sure.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Wrong hand, but anyway, yeah, thanks, guys, and we'll talk to you later. All right then.
Cheers.